Find the equation of the line passing through the point minus 4 comma 5 and cutting off equivalent non-zero intercepts on the coordinate axis. Find the equation of the line passing through the point minus 4 comma 5. Given that the equation of the line passing through the point minus 4 comma 5 and also given that cutting off equivalent non-zero intercepts. So here related to intercepts are given. So we take the equation of the line as x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. What is given? Given that equal intercepts a is equals to b. So replacing a is equals to b in the above equation, x by a plus y by a is equals to 1. That is, taking LCM, x plus y by a is equals to 1. Then the value of x plus y is equals to a. Taking cross product. What is given? The line passing through the point minus 4 comma 5. So replacing minus 4 comma 5 point in this equation. So we take x comma y is equals to minus 4 comma 5. That is, minus 4 plus 5 is equals to a. Therefore, the value of a is equals to 1. Therefore, equation of line is x plus y equals to 1. X plus y is equals to a. But what is a value? 1. So, answer is x plus y is equals to 1. That's all. Find the value of x if the slope of the line passing through the points 2 comma 5 and x comma 3 is 2. So, given that the 2 points are given, 2 comma 5 x comma 3, slope of the line passing through the 2 points is equal to 2. That's the given data. So given that m is equal to 2, what is m? M value is equals to formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equals to 2. What are x1 y1 x2 y2? This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. y2 minus y1, what is y2 minus y1? 3 minus 5 by x2 minus x1, that is x minus 2 is equals to 2. That is minus 2 by x minus 2 is equals to 2. Now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, which implies minus 1 is equal to, taking cross product, x minus 2, then the value of x is equals to 1. Minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. So answer is equals to 1. Condition for the points a comma 0, 0 comma b and h comma k to be collinear. So here 3 points are given, a comma 0, 0 comma b, h comma k. What is the given condition? The given 3 points are collinear. What is the meaning of the collinear points? If all the 3 points lie on the same line, then the points are said to be the collinear points. So that is given. So already we know that this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So this is the point a comma 0 and this is the point 0 comma b. Now if a is equal to a comma 0 and b is equal to 0 comma b, then what is the equation of the line? Equation of ab is equals to x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Since the given points are collinear, the point h comma k lies on this line. So we are replacing this point in this equation. Since given points are collinear, h comma k lies on the line. Therefore, h by a plus k by b equals to 1. This is the required condition. In place of x, we take h, and in place of y, we take k. Therefore, h by a plus k by b is equals to 1. That's all. Find the equation of the line containing the points 2 comma minus 3 and 0 comma minus 3. So here 2 points are given, 2 comma minus 3, 0 comma minus 3. Find the equation of the line. So here in the given points we have that here y coordinate is equal to minus 3 and here y coordinate is equal to minus 3. That is y coordinates are equal. So we take the equation of the line is y is equal to minus 3. So in the given points y coordinates are equal and equals to minus 3. Therefore the equation of line passing through the points is y is equals to minus 3. That's all. State whether the points 3 comma 2 and minus 4 comma minus 3 are on the same side or are on opposite side of the straight line 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. So here one straight line is given, which is 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals to 0, and given points are 3 comma 2 minus 4 comma minus 3. Now state whether the given points lie on the same side or on opposite sides of the given straight line. That is a given question. So first we find the value of L11. L11 is equals to, so here L11 is nothing but replacing the first point in the line equation, that is 2 into 3 minus 3 into 2 plus 4. 6 and minus 6 gets cancelled, so answer is equals to 4. And L22 is nothing but replacing the second point in the given equation, that is 2 into minus 4 minus 3 into minus 3 plus 4, which is equals to minus 8 minus of minus plus 9 plus 4, that is 1 plus 4 equals to 5. Now here L11 greater than 0 and L22 greater than 0. 4, 5 both are positive. So that is L11, L22 both are positive. So therefore the 2 points lie on the same side of n is equals to 0. If the two values have the same sign, then the 2 points lie on same side of line is equals to 0. Therefore, the points lie on same side of n is equal to 0. If we get opposite sides, then the 2 points lie on opposite sides. But here we get the same sign. Therefore, the points lie on the same side of n is equals to 0. That's next problem. Find the ratio in which the x-axis and the y-axis divide the line segment joining the points a2, -3 and b3, -6. Find the ratios. Find the ratio in which the x-axis and y-axis divides the line segment joining AB. So first here we write the given points. A is equal to 2, -3 and B is equal to 3, -6. And we take these 2 points as the first point is x1, y1 and the second point is x2, y2. Now we take the 2 points as first point is x1, y1 and the second point is x2, y2. And here the this is the formula. X-axis divides the line segment AB in the ratio -y1 is to y2. That is minus of -3 is to -6, which implies 3 is to -6. That is 1 is to -2. And y-axis divides AB in the ratio -x1 is to x2. That is -2 is to 3. That's all. These are the answers. These two are the formulas. Problem. Find the angle between the lines y is equal to 4 minus 2x and y is equal to 3x plus 7. Find the angle between the lines. So first we take the given lines here. Given lines are y is equal to 4 minus 2x and y is equal to 3x plus 7. Now here when we compare this equation with y is equals to m1x plus c1, then we get the value m1 is equals to -2, slope value, x coefficient -2. And we compare the second equation with y is equals to m2x plus c2, then the value of m2 is equals to 3, slope value, x coefficient, slope is equal to 3. Now the angle between the lines formula tan theta is equals to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Now replacing the values, that is m1 -2 minus 3 by 1 plus -2 into 3, and this is equals to -5 by 1 minus 6, that is -5 by -1 equals to 1. Therefore tan theta is equals to 1. Then the value of theta is equals to 45 degrees. That's all. Angle is equals to 45. Next problem. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0 and passing through the point 4, -3. So given that the equation of the line is perpendicular to this line and passing through the point 4, -3. Now what is the equation of the line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0? The formula is bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Now this is the formula for finding the perpendicular equation. Now we are replacing the values here, a comma b values. What are a comma b? A is equals to 5 and b is equal to -3. That is minus 3x minus a is equals to 5y plus k is equals to 0. Now taking minus common, then we get 3x plus 5y minus k is equals to 0. Now to find the k value, we replace x comma y is equals to 4 comma -3 in this equation. Then we get 3 into 4 plus 5 into -3 minus k is equals to 0. That is 12 minus 15 minus 3. Minus 3 minus k is equals to 0. Then the value of k is equals to -3. Perpendicular equation is minus 3x minus 5y. Here k, what is k value? K is equal to -3. Minus 3 equal to 0. That is 3x plus 5y plus 3 equal to 0, which is the required answer. Next problem. If the line 6x minus 10y plus 3 is equal to 0 and kx minus 5y plus 8 is equals to 0 are parallel, then find the value of k. So find the value of k if the straight line 6x minus 10y plus 3 is equals to 0 and kx minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0 are parallel. So here two lines are given. Now what is the value of k if the two lines are parallel? What is the condition for parallel lines? If a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus a2 is equals to 0 are parallel lines, and the condition is a1 b2 is equals to a2 b1. So here given that these two lines are parallel, so we are applying the condition here. So a1 b2, what is a1? a1 is equal to 6. 6 into b2. b2 is equals to minus 5 is equals to a2. a2 is equals to k. k into b1. b1 is equals to minus 10. b1 is equals to minus 10. That is minus 30 is equals to minus 10k. Therefore the value of k is equals to 3. That's all. Now find the value of p if the lines 3x plus 7y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 7x minus py plus 3 is equal to 0 are perpendicular. So given that here two lines are given that the two lines are perpendicular to each other. So if the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 are perpendicular, then the condition is a1a2 plus b1b2 is equal to 0. So replacing the values, a1, what is a1 value? a1 is equals to 3. 3 into a2. a2 is equals to 7 plus b1. b1 is equals to 7 into b2. b2 is equals to minus p equal to 0. That is 21 minus 7p equal to 0. Then 21 equals to 7p. Then the value of p is equals to 3. That's all. Next problem, find the equation of the straight line parallel to the line 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and passing through the point 5, 4. So here one line is given 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 and one point is given 5, 4. Now what is the equation of the line parallel to this one? The equation of a line parallel to ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is ax plus by plus k is equals to 0. Now here we want the equation of the line parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Equation of a line parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0 is 2x plus 3y plus k equal to 0. Parallel lines differ by only constant. So equation of the line parallel to given line is 2x plus 3y plus k equal to 0. So given that it passes, now we want the value of k. Given that it passes through the point 5, 4. So replacing the point 5, 4 in this equation to get the value of the k. So replacing x is equal to 5, x comma y is equal to 5, 4 in this equation. That is 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus k is equals to 0. That is 10 plus 12 plus k equals to 0. Then k is equals to 10 plus 12, 22. Writing the 22 to this side, minus 22. Therefore, equation of parallel line is 2x plus 3y plus k, where k is equals to minus 22. Minus 22 equal to 0. That's all. This is the required answer. Next problem, find the distance between the parallel lines 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equals to 0 and 10x minus 6y minus 9 is equals to 0. So first we take the given line equations here. First equation is 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and the second equation is 10x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. In the first equation we have a comma b values as 5 comma 3 and in the second equation we have a comma b values are 10 comma minus 6. But we want the same numbers in both of the equations. Further, we multiply the first equation by the number 2 to get the same values of the second equation. So, first we multiply the first equation by 2. Then we get 10x minus 6y minus 8 equal to 0. So, now we are comparing these two equations with ax plus by plus c1 is equals to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. Therefore, the value of a is equals to 10. A equals to 10. A equals to 10. And b is equals to minus 6. B equals to minus 6. Here also b is equals to minus 6. And c1. First constant c1 is equals to minus 8 and c2 second constant minus 9. Therefore, the distance between the parallel lines is mod c1 minus c2 by square root of a square plus b square, and this is mod c1 minus 8 minus c2 minus 9 minus of minus plus by square root of a square plus b square, 10 square 100 plus minus 6 whole square 36. Now this is 9 minus 8, 1 by square root of 136. That's all. That's the answer. Next problem, find the distance between the parallel lines 3x minus 4y is equal to 12 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 7. So find the distance between the parallel lines. So here the lines are 3x minus 4y is equals to 12 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 7. That is, in the next step we are writing these equations as 3x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 and this is 3x minus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. Now we are comparing these two equations with the lines ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. Then the value of a is equals to 3. So here we have a is equals to 3 and b is equals to minus 4. In the both of the equations the values of a comma b are same since these are the parallel lines. So a is equal to 3, a is equal to 3. B is equals to minus 4, b is equal to minus 4. Now a is equals to 3, b is equal to minus 4, and now coming to the constant, c1 is equals to minus 12, first constant in the first line, and C2 is equals to minus 7. This is the constant in the second line. Now what is the distance between the parallels formula? Distance between the parallels is equals to, length is mod C1 minus C2 by square root of A square plus B square. That is mod C1. C1 is equals to minus 12 minus C2. C2 is equal to minus 7. So minus of minus plus 7 by square root of A square plus B square. A value 3, A square 9 plus B value minus 4, B square 16. Minus 12 plus 7 minus 5 by root 25, that is 5 by 5 equals to 1. So distance between the parallels is equals to 1. Next problem, find the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point minus 2 comma minus 3 to the line 5x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. Find the length of the perpendicular. So one line is given 5x minus 2y plus 4 is equals to 0 and one point is given minus 2 comma minus 3. So x1 y1, this point is taken as x1 y1, x1 is equal to minus 2, y1 is equal to minus 3. And here the line is, when we compare this equation with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, then this is a is equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 2 and c is equals to 4 and this is x1. Minus 2 is equals to x1 and this is y1. So perpendicular distance formula. Perpendicular distance is equal to mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square. Now replacing the values here under modulus ax1 5 into minus 2 plus by1 minus 2 into minus 3 plus c plus 4 by square root of a square plus b square. A is equal to 5, a square 25 plus b is equals to minus 2, b square 4. Now this is under modulus minus 10 plus 6 plus 4 by square root of 29. 10 minus 10 equals to 0. 0 by anything equals to 0. Therefore the perpendicular distance value is equal to 0.